jump on here really quickly to introduce myself because I'm new to Halo. This is my first live and I'm so excited. First of lots more to come, I hope, in the future. My name is Rebecca. I'm an English teacher and I'm so excited to be on here. I'm really looking forward to helping people learn. So if you have any questions about learning English, what to do, or you want to practice, I'm available here. I'm really excited to meet so many of you. It's the first people joining. Hello everyone, Rabir and Shahid. It's nice to meet you too. But yeah, I just wanted to say hello to everyone and welcome, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and helping people practice and learn. I'm really excited and passionate about seeing people become confident when they speak English, because I think sometimes it can be really scary to learn a new thing and you're not sure about it. But I want to work with you and help you become the most confident, the best English speaker that you can be. And I really believe that the more you practice, the better you'll become. And I have confidence in all of you. But hello to everyone. Hello. So that was it. Just a quick 2-minute introduction to say hello, and I will be back very soon. Hi everyone. I'll see you very soon, and I'll answer your questions as soon as I can.